Hello guys, welcome in. Today we got this bacon boy here, and today we're gonna be playing Jailbreak. And apparently, it has an update, which it's good on one hand and bad on the other. I don't like, the city looks good, but it's not. I don't think it's something that really needs to be fixed. All it does is look better and graphically. But I already checked it out. If you didn't check it out, then it's like whatever. We're just gonna join this friend, I guess. So he's freaking in there. We're gonna be arresting we're gonna be trying to get every single freaking person in this game. So first thing you wanna do, be a cop, right? Come out. Now first tool you're gonna need is a shotgun. So first you're going to run up this ladder and take the helicopter. So we're over here. I got this beautiful helicopter, but they wanted it in frost, but I also wanted an helicopter, so we're just gonna put it in scorch, my favorite texture. We're gonna come over here. Okay, so he likes that I'm recording. I would give him a key card, but I'm against these people. I'm sorry guys. So major L, major, frightening L's. Oh, he knew he was gonna take the L. He literally quit. He was like, I'm not even going to kill you. So this dude's trying to turn around and go the other way. But he can just take the L right now. Cause that's not gonna happen, sweetie. So bang. L. The L treatment. L treatment. Two cops on you, bro. Take the L. I'm sorry. Come on, shoot. Okay, is this dude hacking again? Come on now. I didn't know he was earlier, but you'll get my point. Because he was hacking like 2 minutes ago. So they're taking L's, 9-3 damage. Right? So we're over here making them take 30 L's. You're not getting back in that car. You're not cute together. Spirit, no, I don't care if you're my friends. I'm sorry. I'm literally sorry. L. Expert L. That's an expert L. Psych. That's what's getting back in your camera. She trying to pull off his Lambo? Wait, we have one. Oh, he broke. L, what? Please take the L. Bro, stop running for me. Just take the L. Why can't you accept it? Okay, this dude. Okay. It's L time. It's L time. Freaking L time. I'm not playing with you. Extra the freaking noob. Cause you're a noob. You was running from me anyway. I'm recording. Read that we're friends at playing recording. I'm sorry. This had to be mean. Boop, 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 boop. Stole this car. La, la, la. Okay. We're riding in this poor Camaro. Not gonna be mean to it though. Not gonna be mean. What do we do about the key card situation? Well, we're gonna come over here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. What? No one's here. I just took a Policido L. Whoa, did I just glitch in here? Okay. So we're out of here. I'm gonna come in here. We're gonna give you a taste of your own medicine. It's gonna be the L. Okay. I'm gonna be freaking unstoppable. You know. Okay, so now he's the girl. He thinks he's about to get away from. Oh, this is where the serious trouble will come. This is where it gets real. This is where it gets really, really, really fun. Take the L. As soon as I walk on the door, you already know it's gonna be L. What you gonna be trying to shoot? Out. L partaking. Or you have a pistol. Take the L, bro. Bro, he has a pistol, bro. Speed hacking. Speed hacking. Took the L, bro. To the he was speed hacking. Wait, can I take his motorcycle? Oh my god. I think I have his motorcycle. L. Dang it. Okay. I ain't gonna stress over it because the hell is better. I need it. Thank you, Ellie. Thank you for being nice. The only nice person. I'm gonna turn this all black. You know? It's not a lot of cash. Have your little headlights on. Okay. It's crunch time. It's crunch time. Where's that noob at? Where are these people going? What the freak? Okay. I'm about to take the first L. The first L. Get the first L. L, 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 L. Tropical L, 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 L. L, okay. I mean, L. Walk over her freaking body. Okay. Over here. Don't know if the museum's open. I can't open it anyway. So, hey, that was so far up. Hey, that was so far up. Okay, so we're not about to take a L. Okay, we're just gonna get this car right here. Batmobile. What the freak? Okay. We got blue. We got red. We also got black. Spoiler color has got to be black. Come on now. Everything in mine finna be black. The glow's gonna be red. Bro, I just left him. Well, I had to because it's only once to come. So, sorry, but it's a L. It's a major L. Oh. It's a major L. Oh. Dang, this is going fast. There's gonna be some L's up in here. L trouble. L trouble. L trouble. Hacking. Do you see this girl? She's not lagging. She's hacking. She never said she was lagging, but you already know she's hacking. Take the L. What? Stop hacking. What? Hacking. This hacker. I'm about to report her. Full time. She thinks she's lit. And she thinks she's smart. She's not smart or lit. She's mixing the two up. So we know we already got a campsite. She's probably going through buildings to get to our car. And then she could take the L. Good. So good. So good. I think they do like her car. Come on now. Like, she didn't like her car. Take it out. Okay, that was long enough. I was in there long enough. Okay. It's out to me. Back. Yeah. Oh. Lamborghini is trash, guys. Don't buy it. If you buy it, I'm not being your friend. But yeah, that was the adventure. Wait. We're gonna just end this last 5 minutes in okay. This is just gonna try to run out the door. What? Look who we have here. We have the L girl that tries to run off and tries to be smart. Well, you're smart now. You're smart now. You're smart now. So, this jewelry rubbery dude is come here. Come here. I hate cops. I feel bad for him. But yeah, 4 minutes. 3 pretty much on that. He's going over to the criminal base. Okay, so that was my first video, guys. I hope you pretty much liked it. Yeah. But if you want to really get cash, you want to be a prisoner. It doesn't matter if the cop. I'm going to show you how to be a pro in my next videos if you stick around. And yeah, subscribe, guys. Smash that like button. But do what you want, you know. I'm not forcing you. Bye, guys.